August is a big month. If you like space events, there are 2 eclipses happening. There is a total solar eclipse happening on August 12th, which I am going to see from Iceland, and I'm very excited. Wish me good weather. You'll be able to see it from like Iceland, Spain, Portugal. There will be a partial solar eclipse that is visible from most of Europe, parts of Canada, parts of the eastern United States, and some parts of Africa. This is an interesting solar eclipse because it is such a high latitude that it makes this like weird swoop shape. If you like look at where the path of totality is on a map of the Earth, that's actually just because the Earth is a sphere, and like the way that the moon is moving relative to the sun makes this like interesting little swoop. A lot of other solar eclipse paths are more like gentle curves. But that's not the only eclipse that's happening. There's an eclipse happening at the end of the month. It is an almost total, but not completely total, lunar eclipse. The solar eclipse is when the moon is between the sun and the Earth and it blocks the sun's light from the Earth, and it is spectacular. The lunar eclipse is when the Earth is between the sun and the moon, and the moon goes into the Earth's shadow. And so it is less dramatic. You don't think that the world is ending, but it is still really cool, and the moon looks very weird and like red and dark, dramatic. So that is going to be August 27th into the 28th at night. The total lunar eclipses are pretty lengthy, like many hours. And that's going to be visible from most of Europe, Africa, North and South America. If you don't have plans to watch the total solar eclipse, you should still try to see if you're in one of the zones of the partial eclipse. As always, stay safe when you're looking at the sun, especially if you're in an area of partial solar eclipse. Get solar glasses. Make sure that they're safe. Get them from like a local science center. If you have one near you, those are going to definitely be safe for you. Sometimes ones that you just order randomly off the internet are not necessarily going to protect your eyes. If you're in the path of totality, you should wear those up until the moment of 100% coverage. After that, you want to take them off so you can like experience totality, which is an incredible thing. If I was a medieval peasant, I would be like, it's the end of the world, kill the king. There's always eclipses happening, so if you don't have plans to see this one, there's future ones, but like, it is a 10 out of 10 human experience.